Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid in 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is going to apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020, also Chrysler Town and Countries made from 2011 and all the way up to 2016. So to add your windshield washer fluid, you will have to open the hood and locate your windshield washer fluid reservoir, which is going to be on the left hand side, passenger side, and it is right here. So you can see it has a yellow cap with a windshield and fluid on it. So open it up and add your windshield fluid. When you're all done, just close the cap, make sure it clicks, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.